Good day everyone, my name is Jundi Nasipo from 2SM. Now, my topic is all about composite function. So to know composite function is first, we need to define of what is composite function. So to define the composite function is let f and b and g be functions, f and g. The composite function denoted by f of g is defined by f of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, yung nga form is same rin sila. But, dapat na mag-careful kay kini nga sign is dili na sila pareha sa multiplication. Kini nga sign is called by composite with. Lahi ni siyang sign o lahi pa ning ani. Kani siya is multiply katong shaded nga circle, but kani is lahi ni siya. Mo ning tawag nga composite with. So now we're going to the example. So example number 1. Fx is equal to x squared plus 2 and g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So we need to find the f composed by g of x. So first, we all know that f composed of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So first is the value of f is x squared plus 1. So the x of here is ato siyang ibutang diri sa g of x. So we write it into g of x 3x minus 2, then copy the plus 1, squared this because the x here is x squared, so 3x minus 2 squared, and we need to simplify it into 3x minus 2 and copy the plus 1 and substitute. So we have 9x squared minus 6x then negative 2 times negative 2 is equals to 4, then copy the plus 1 and combine like terms. So we have 9x squared minus 12x, then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So this will be the answer of our f composed of g of x. This will be the final answer or example number 1. Example number 2. If x is equal to square root of x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared. So we need to find the g composed of f of x. So g composed of f of x is equal to g of f of x. So substitute the value. So first is the g value is x squared, so the x is ato siyang ibutang diri sa f of x. So mahimo na siyang g f of x is square root of x plus 1 squared because x squared man value sa x, there is g of x. And next, wala naman tayo lang ikabutang, so ato na siyang i-simplify. So mahimo lang na siyang x plus 1 squared, then cancel the squared, so mahimo lang na siyang x plus 1. So our the value of our g composed of f of x is x plus 1. Number 3 example. F of x is equal to 1 over x. G of x is equal to x plus 2. We need to find the f composed with g of x. So f composed of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So we write to the value of f and g of x. So we have 1 over g of x, and substitute 1 over g of x is x plus 2. So the value of our f composed of g of x is equal to 1 over x plus 2. Number 4 example. F of x is equal to sine x and g of x is equal to 2x plus pi over 2. So we need to find f composed with g of x. F composed of g of x equal to same gihapon ana. So next is we need to substitute. The f is sine x. So the x is ano siyang iutang ito sa g of x. So mabilin lang is sine, then value of g of x is equal to 2x plus pi over 2. So the answer of our f composed of g of x is sine 2x plus pi over 2. So example number 5. F of x is equal to x cubed and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Find f composed of g of 2. So karon is nanay value, dili na siya x. So atong bitawan is f composed of g of 2. So f composed of g of 2 is equal to f of g of 2. So now ato sang i-substitute ang value. So saan man siya pag-substitute? Is equal to f g of x is 2x. So instead of x, ang ibutang is 2. Kay maman siya g of 2. So 2 na siya ang ibutang. G of 2 minus 1. Then simplify. F 2 times 2 4 minus 1 is 3. So now we have a f of 3. So ato siyang i-substitute yapon. So f of x is x cube. So instead of x cube ang ibutang, ma-change na siya into 3 cube. So simplify. 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So ano ang value sa tuwang f of g of 2. So number 6, our last example. Given is f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. So find f composed of g of x and g composed of f of x. First, ato sa mitahon ang f of g of x. So substitute. So we have value of f of x 2. So 2 then x is ibutan to siya sa g of x. So we have value of g of x minus 3, then copy the plus 1, then atong siyang multiply. So 2x 2 times negative 3 is equal to 6 plus 1. Simplify, combine like terms. So 2x negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. So the value of our f of g of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Next is g of f of x. So we have g. So x minus 3. So ato siyang ibutang into ang x, ibutang nato sa f of x. So we have f of x 2x plus 1, then copy minus 3, then mahimo na siya nga 2x plus 1 minus 3. By like terms, we have 2x 1 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the value of our g of f of x is equal to 2x minus 2. This will be our final answer. That's all for today's videos. If you have any clarification or say mo sir, basin na ko mali, i-message lang ko kay para akong makorrection. Thank you.